playing, right? Playing, yes, your child plays. What does he do? He touches everything, right? And you say, no. Actually, he has to touch. He has to taste. The young children in our school will taste sun. You put sun in part one. I want to know, can this be eaten? What is the taste of this, yeah? So we want, it's more sensorial. More sensorial. So we want to touch everything. So, as I said, children will respond to the environment through his sensory. So that means sight, touch, hearing, smell, and the taste. Yeah, so the five senses. So he likes to explore. Even if you say, don't, jangan, jangan. No. He has to touch it. He has to experience it. That's the way he learns. That's the way the brain develops. If you imagine, for example, okay, you're adult, and I always say, jangan, jangan, don't move, just stay there. What really happen to you? You're just like, do you enjoy that? Do you think you learned something from that? Oh, your child needs to move, your child needs to touch, smell, and taste, and all these things.